Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to change your password on Snapchat. Whether you're updating it for security reasons or just want a fresh start, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can view and edit your account information. Next, in the top right corner of your profile page, tap on the gear icon. This opens the settings menu, where you'll find various options to manage your account. Now, scroll down to the My Account section and tap on Password. Here's where you can make the change. To proceed, enter your current password in the designated field. This step ensures that only you can access and modify your account settings. Once you've entered your old password, it's time to set up a new one. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Type your new password in the first field and confirm it by re-entering it in the second field. Finally, tap Save to complete the process. Snapchat will notify you that your password has been successfully updated, and that's it. You've just changed your Snapchat password in a few simple steps. Always remember to keep your passwords secure and avoid sharing them with anyone. If this guide helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips.